Hello, traders, and welcome to tradingwithbill.com. I'm Bill. We're in Thailand. We'll talk a little bit about Forex. Traders, good to be with you on a Tuesday. Interesting markets yesterday, I have to tell you. U.S. markets pretty slow. Big chart I saw this morning was the dollar CAD really sold off. So kind of curious to see what happened in oil yesterday. Well, it's not above 70, so yeah, big sell-off. I'll have to see what happened there. Anyhow, good to be with you. It's a Tuesday. Let's get started. NAB Business Confidence comes out in about an hour for the Kiwi. I'm sorry, Aussie. New Zealand had NZIER Business Confidence. No forecast, so really no action there. Looks like a really slow day today. Core PPI out of the States, building permits month on month, CPI year on year for March, and really that looks like about it. Looks like a really technical trading day. I don't see anything late in the afternoon, so that's it. Really slow day today as far as data is concerned. I don't see anything big here. Let's get to it. Let's get to it. Charts. Let's take a look at some charts. So yesterday, we talked about the euro, right? I said this was in a down move. Well, it's called the guy who's speaking on the camera gets made a fool of, right? I said this was going down. I even put this here. Let this trend line break. But I did say we'd love to see this come back up, and folks, that's exactly what it's done. So the euro now is back up at this 1.2330 area. So that 1.2330 area, no, I don't think it's that bad to sell from here. We'll just have to see. But, those moving averages are just really, really up, pointed to the upside. And we'd have to see some kind of a move where it points to the downside. You'd really like to take this when the moving average, the 10 moving average is below price, right? I mean, on top of price to bring it down. So nothing to do here, but this trade's a heck of a lot better than yesterday's trade plan, and this looks a lot better. And yeah, I'd love to sell this from here. Hopefully, we can get this in Asia. Now it's technical. There's no data really coming out in Asia today. So it's all technical. That's all right. But I do like this. I do like this for a possible sell-off. And I'm just peeking. I got 6 charts up on another screen. So let's just take a look at the pound. See what's going on with the pound. Here's another one. Same situation. We looked at this yesterday where I wanted to sell this, right? This was sideways at the moment. Popped up, and there it goes. That's okay. This looks better. Yeah, this looks better. 1.4160, do it. 1.4150, 1.4160, we'll take it to the downside. Nice trade plan. I like it. Let's just hope we can get some moving averages in our favor. And, we just want to see a nice bearish candle and then a second one we can get in that. So basically, once that first bullish candle starts, you're looking at an hour before you're going to enter this. Whether you wait for a market order, you put in an entry, whatever you do. But yeah, this looks pretty good to me. I don't see any issues with this at all. This looks like a good trade, better than yesterday. Here's our other trend line that we put in there yesterday. We'll get rid of that. So here we go for another day. Yeah, looks all right. Let's that Aussie made a move yesterday also. So it made this move up. It actually, this is yesterday's hour, and actually came up to our entry area and came back down. That was very late in New York. And, but really, you know what? I'm sticking with the plan. I'd rather see this pull back up. Don't want to really deal with anything there. You got resistance right there. I think we're going to keep the same trade plan. There's nothing to do here. We're just going to absolutely keep it. I got arrows everywhere, folks. And, just for, giggles, the 730 area looks pretty decent to me too. I really don't have any issue with that either. So either one of these moves where you can see these arrows to sell this looks great. Don't want to sell it where it's at now. Right? We do not want to sell this here. This is just, it's just nasty left of the chart. We're moving into EMAs. We're moving into support. We're at support. We're moving into harder support. So nothing to do. Just leave this thing alone. Let it be what it is. We won't do anything with that. Let's take a look at the USD CAD today. This is a sell-off I was mentioning just before here. Here's another arrow. Good. You know, you'd like to see this pop back up here, but, you know, now that I look at this chart, 1.2820 is nice. But, you know, I want to buy this. I want to buy this. I want to take this to the upside, right? I want to buy this. So we're going to move this guy over here. All right, so yeah, I want to buy this little bad boy right here. Now I'm just waiting for it to happen. So I want to buy this to 200 at 127.80. And we're going to get in this at 127.20 at 30. You know, take a 40 pip up move here. It's not going to be easy. If you look left of the chart, we got a lot of stuff here bouncing around. You know, we're going to get beat up here. But by the time you get to here, you're break even. It's a free trade. You got this 55, the teal EMA here, the teal line. You got the 55 you're going to have to fight with. But not a lot left of the chart. And hopefully we can just breeze right on through there. So I'm okay with this. And we can bring this other arrow here back. Right? And then we can just resell it. But the plan is to buy this dollar CAD. We want to take this back up to the upside. That's what it looks like to me. What else we got going on, my friends? Let's see. Let's take a look at my other buddy. Let's take a look at the New Zealand dollar. Yeah, there we go right there. You know, this fib, it's got to go, doesn't it? Whoa, 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 easy there, Jack. Easy, easy. Let's get rid of that bad boy. Yeah, there we go. All right, so here we are on the New Zealand. Now, you know I'm bearish on this. So we basically got a double top here. Yeah, this looks like a nice sell move to me, folks. This looks like a nice little sell move here. Absolutely. 72.20, 72.30. Let's take this to the downside on the Kiwi. We're going to sell it. I do like that the 200 expert moving average is sideways. The 55 is still pointing to the upside, and the 10 is really pointing to the upside, right? So just going to move this arrow over. This arrow doesn't mean anything. I just don't want to lose it. We have it on the chart. We'll use it another time. So yeah, so let's see if we can sell this bad boy. Absolutely. Let me try something here. All right. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, sell that bad boy. We'll put some colors on the arrows. All right. What else is poking around at me here? I haven't looked into this in a long time. I think we talked about it last week. I'm not sure. No, that's not what I wanted. Yeah, I'm not. So we're going to mark this up a little bit here. I like the trade, but it's not ready, right? It's just not ready. So yeah, we want to, we want to grab that high there, right? We get up there. This is pretty sideways, but the yen is definitely stronger than the Kiwi. So again, we want to sell this, right? We want to sell this bad boy. Oh, that's not what I want, William. Sell, sell, sell. Yeah, let's sell that bad boy. Take that to the downside. See if we can get up to 78.40, maybe even 78.50 if we get lucky, and we'll sell this. I think this is in the radar for London lunch, maybe even London Open. We'll see. We're going to see New Zealand yen. Let's take a look at it. We'll keep it on the charts, see what happens, and we'll do it. It's time for the ugly, the beautiful, and the foggy. I say foggy. Dollar index, ugly, ugly, ugly. Sold off or below the 90 again. That's probably why these other dollar pairs went in the opposite direction of the dollar. And here we go. We just want to see this take a look to the upside. This just does not look pretty at all, my friends. Dollar is weak, 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 weak. So nothing to do there. Traders, thanks for being with me on a Tuesday. It's currently 7:50 in the morning. That would be 20:50 on a Monday night on Wall Street. Traders, have a great trading day. Always remember to trade smart, not hard. We'll see you tomorrow. Take care, friends. Bye-bye.